Hello, this is Christopher. And today I'm going to be opening the Boombox Platinum Baseball for August 2020. This is the $99.99 or $100 it costs. 110, 111, depending on where you are, like if your state charges taxes and stuff. Yeah, so $5 shipping and all that. Whoa. So there's Yogi Berra is the giveaway. Something this month. I have yet to see a ticket for that. So we'll see what we get here. So we have all this stuff here. So here it is. The Platinum Baseball for August. So we have 2020 Top Series 2 Jumbo. 2020 Finest. Yes. So we have Finest and Bowman's Best. Yeah, that's going to be some good ripping. 2020 Bowman Hobby and 2019 Topps Chrome. And then 48% boxes will have the 2019 Bowman Chrome Hobby Pack. All right. So there you go. There's the rest of it so you can read on there. There's the, Yogi Berra autographed Yankees jersey. There's always a monthly giveaway. I think he combines it with the different boom boxes, the platinum and the high end or whatnot. So let's get into it. Here's the one touch. Ooh, it's different packaging now. Very cool. Very cool. 35 point. All right. All right. So here are the packs. Oh, here's an extra pack. 2 Chrome Decades Best cards. All right. Nice. That's out of a different box. There's the a 2018 Topps Chrome pack. There's the 2019 pack. And then there's the Topps Finest pack. Yes. 2020 Bowman. 2020 Bowman. Yep, that was on the list. And there is Bowman Draft. 2015 Bowman Draft. I pulled some awesome rookies out of this last time. It's well worth it. I'll put that over there. Here's Bowman's Best. There's the big pack. Jumbo pack of 2020 Baseball Series 2. And then Bowman Draft 2014. So these packs here are extras, so I received 4 extra packs. Nice. So you got that. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 total packs. So these are the extras I received. Nice. So I will put these in order. I don't know how. I'll put them like that. And then I'll put these Bowman's Best and Finest. Definitely want to go last. Just go like this. There we go. So, without further mention, let's get into this by gripping and ripping. Right, so this is the 2 Chrome Decades Best cards. Nice. It's probably a box that I was not able to get. Oh, it's numbered on the back. Holy moly. Numbered card. Oh, check that out. Willie Stargell. Yeah, I think I did get a couple of these. Yeah, I think I did. They come with the hobby box or something. Check that out. That's Refractor. Decades Best Refractor. Yeah, that's why it's numbered 40 out of 50. Nice, nice. All right. So put that. Hold on. All right, I'm all situated now. So I'm going to go parallel pile, insert pile. Just put that in the insert pile. So let's get into this one. 2018 Topps Chrome. Lots of chrome. My favorite product. Unfortunately, I am being shut out from purchasing any chrome this year because the price is so high for hobby boxes, and everybody's just buying it all up and selling it for like 5 times what you pay in the stores. So there's a Prism. So yeah, I don't know if I'll even be able to get any Chrome, Gallo, Greg Bird. This year, except for like through boom boxes and stuff, which, yeah, it takes a lot of packs to 2014 Bowman Draft. It takes a lot of packs to make a set, so I don't know if I'll be able to. Alright, so 2014 Bowman Draft. Cameron Varga, first Bowman. Luis Severino. There's Bowman Chrome. Matt Rayleigh. You should put that in that pile. There is insert. Alright. And then Tyler Glasnow, pitcher. Chrome. Grant Holmes and Jordan Foley rounds out that pack. Okay, next pack, the Bowman Draft 2015 pack. Sorry it's taking me so long, but when something costs $100, you want to, take your time and stuff like that. Oh, check it out. Aaron Judge, right there, boom. Aaron Judge, 2015 Bowman Draft. Wow. That is pretty cool. I'll put that in there just for the show at the end. Kevin Newman, first Bowman. Oh, check that card out. Bowman Scouts Fantasy Impact. Dylan Tate. Tate? It's not numbered. Oh, I thought it would be numbered. Because it looks like it's a color, but it's like a refractor. Insert. Very nice. And then Derby. Right. First Bowman. I usually put the chromes out of Bowman in there. It's just a habit. That's why I did that. Roman Quinn. I remember him. Hawkins and Stewart rounds out the 2014 draft. Bowman Draft. All right, time for the big boy. Top Series 2, 2020. Series 2 Jumbo Pack. And it doesn't, I don't see any thick cards in there. Oh well. So we have Romine, Brantley, Lance McCullers, Delano DeShields, Adam Eaton, Hap, Brendan Rodgers. Unless there's an autograph, there may be an autograph. You never know. Colin Moran, Ravello, Caratini. Whoops, let me get in the picture there a little bit. Yamaguchi, Cal Quantrill, Corey Dickerson, Jose Abreu, Brandon Lowe, Luke Weaver, Chris Taylor, Barria, Arias, Luis Arias. All right. Derek Fisher, Frankie Montas, Kyle Tucker, Kyle Seager, Reese Hoskins. All right. For my Phillies. Simeon Suter, Brent Suter. Wow. Every which way. Josh Hader, Means, Royals, role reversal. Ramirez, Betances, Justin Smoke, Ryan McBroom, Chris Sale, Robbie Ray, White Sox, Seattle Mariners, New York State of Mind. Getting to the inserts coming up. Melon Khan, Kendrick, and Rojas. All right. Here we go. The inserts. So we have a rainbow foil of Mitch Keller. It's not numbered, just rainbow foil. Okay, Warriors of the Diamond insert. Albert Pujols. And Marcus Stroman. All right. 1985 replica, I want to say. Then check that out. It's kind of like a, is it 2016 update series where they had the sparkly around it, but it's not, as just different. Huh, that's a pretty cool insert. All right, next pack, the 2020 Bowman Hobby pack. A lot of stuff in this this month's box. Oh, no. Thought there was something in there. There's not. I don't think. I don't know. Who knows? So we have Chapman, Kikuchi, Victor Mace. Really cool insert. Oh, there we go. All right, Anthony Volpe, first Bowman. Alec Thomas, Cole Wynn, Chris Valamont, first Bowman. Hans Kraus, first Bowman. Cody Bellinger, and Jeff McNeil. All right, here we go. I'll get this in order here. Man, still have 3 packs left. Holy moly. The good stuff's to come yet. Next is 2019 Topps Chrome. All right. So we have Justin Verlander. Vladdy Jr. rookie card. Oh, nice. Future star of Nick Hingham. And then Orlando Arcia rounds out that pack. All right. 2020 Topps Finest. Here we go. Rock and roll. Javier Baez. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful cards. I'm not sure why I did not get any of these. And here we go. We have a hit. Holy moly. Michael Chavis. Chavis. Check that autograph out. Wow, that's pretty wicked. On-card autograph. It is not numbered, but it is an autograph. Awesome. Autograph hit. Bam. There he is. All right. Very cool. I'll just put that there. Okay. Let's round this out. Max Scherzer. Gurriel. And then Jose Berrios. Nice. I thought one was a refractor. There it is. The Max Scherzer was a refractor. All right, go over there. All right, let's get into the Bowman's Best pack. 2019 Bowman's Best. Oh. All right. Paul DeYoung. Nice. These are nice cards. Kikuchi, rookie card. Wow, check that out. That is a really nice insert. JJ Bleday. Power Producers. Very nice. Oh, and there is something backwards, and it is boom, Hunter Green. Wow, that's a pretty cool autograph. Check that out. Really nice. It's not numbered, but it is another autograph. Wow, cool. 2 hits. I'm not used to getting so many hits. This is awesome. Sweet. And I ran out of these top loaders. I have to open up another box. This is what I use for the chrome and such. 59 point. So they fit in there. They're not loose, but not snug. So yeah, just right for chrome cards. Wham! There he is. All right. Sweet. Okay, so the last card is Charlie Blackmon. Now I will do a quick recap. So here are the parallels. So this is a refractor, Topps Finest 2020. Then we have a Rainbow Parallel from Series 2. And then Prism. It's not numbers, just Prism. And then this is numbered to 50. Cleveland Indians, Decades Best, 1950s. The refractor. Very nice. Here are the inserts / Bowman Chrome that I received. That were, I always put them in this extra one. So Bowman's Best insert, very nice. We have all these. There's the Bowman Chromes there, 2020. Victor Mesa. That insert kind of looks like a 2016 update series card of Yelich. That. Right. And then there's first Bowman Chrome there from, 2016 Bowman. Or, Bowman Scouts. Look at that. That's really nice. And then got this Aaron Judge from 2015 draft. 2015 draft. Check it out. Very nice. I should card that up. Matter of fact, I got a one touch back there. Alright, let's see if it goes in here like this. There we go. Alright. Pretty cool. It has like a border on it. Very cool. There he is. Boom. Hope he stays or gets healthy. Alright. Glass now, Chrome. There's an insert. And another Bowman Chrome, first Bowman. And then the Decades Best insert. And I received two autos. One from Bowman's Best, 2019 Bowman's Best, Hunter Green. Alright, not numbered. And then this, Michael Chavez. Cool auto. Not numbered again, but it is an auto. Now, of course, you just saw this. Boom. 2015 draft. Aaron Judge. Very nice. Thanks for watching my Boombox Platinum baseball break for August 2020. Feel free to tap that like, share, and or subscribe button. Leave a comment if you like. I'll see you later. Awesome break. Really enjoyed it. Thanks again for watching. See you later.